fajitas on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a pixie trucker, but she's not a chick. Wow. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making fajitas. Gotta love fajitas, who doesn't? I like Mexican food. First time we made them all year. We made a few taco dishes, haven't made fajitas yet. So I did some homemade tortilla shells earlier and that sort of stuff anyway, but that's okay. We're focused on fajitas tonight. This recipe is courtesy of Spending with Pennies. If you don't know what we do get here, guys, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick stuff up, make it. Simple as that. Doing it all year so far. 111, 112 now. Been a great time. Anyway, guys, let's get to these fajitas. I'm looking forward to this one. So we're going to start with our marinade for the chicken. Tablespoon of olive oil, onion powder, black pepper, some paprika, chili powder, chicken, and the juice of half a lime. Yeah, I'm the Mexican food like this. I'm gonna mix that all up. Let that sit for a couple minutes. Oil. And half our chicken. We're going to cook that for 2 or 3 minutes until done. Cook it a couple batches. So our chicken's done. We're going to add some more oil and our onions. Onions are ready to go. We're going to add our peppers, yellows and some reds, and let her cook for a couple more minutes. That's a sizzle if you're having fajitas. Come on over, take a look at that, guys. Looking great. Try these out. I got my own homemade shells. I got some homemade salsa here too. Made earlier. So let's try this out. A little bit of that, one of these boys here. That's that. I love this simple. Lettuce. Cheese. We'll see how that is. That's pretty big, that's one thing for sure. Excuse me. That's beautiful. Nice and fresh. Lovely. Anyway, guys, come on over, take a look at the date and time. That is good. Wow. It is Thursday, the 23rd of April at 7 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores. This has been another Cooking with Jon, guys. Don't forget that like button and that subscribe button. Anything you want to see me cook, guys, throw it in the comments. Love to hear from you. Open to suggestions. Anyway, guys, see you next time. Bye for now.